Here's something a lot of underwater photographers do that's actually slowing them down. They turn their camera off between shots. Now, I get it. On land, it makes sense. Save power, protect your gear, be careful, don't accidentally push any buttons. But underwater, that extra step is costing you the shot. Underwater, every second matters. We only get so much time down there, so efficiency is everything. And your camera's power switch, it plays zero role in actually making a photo. It's just one more thing to fumble with when something amazing swims by. It comes down to muscle memory. The more automatic your movements are, the more focused your brain can be on making the shot and not just operating the camera. You want your hands to do the work without thinking, and reaching for that power switch is one habit that breaks that entire flow. But there is good news. If your camera is in a proper housing, there's very little risk of accidentally bumping a button or changing a setting, which means that you can leave it on the entire dive. If you find yourself worried about battery life still, that's totally fair, but do keep in mind that modern mirrorless cameras are better than you think. Most have an automatic sleep or power saving mode that'll kick in after a few seconds of inactivity, at which point your camera uses almost no power whatsoever, and it will wake up instantly the moment you touch a button, which is usually the shutter, and let's be honest, is exactly what you're going to hit when something cool shows up. This simple mindset shift of letting your camera sleep instead of shutting it off makes a huge difference in how fast you can respond to that action. So if you find yourself still physically flipping that switch, just try letting go. Trust your gear, let your camera reset, not power down physically. You'll be surprised on how many more moments you're going to be ready for. And if this has got you thinking about how you can make your entire setup feel more seamless, check out TTL, which is another excellent way to make your camera feel like an extension of your brain. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop us a comment down below or shoot us an email to ikelite@ikelite.com.